Abu Hanifa rahmatullah alayh, who passed away in 150 Hijri. I am going to talk something about the dreams attributed to him. These dreams are there in both Deobandi and Barelvi books. This one, the Deobandi book was it is in Urdu. It is by Mufti Aziz al-Rahman of Deoband. The Barelvi book is by Mufti Faiz Ahmed Awesi of Barelvi Maslak. And I have another book, Basiratul Noman by Shubli Nomani. These dreams are found in these two Urdu books, that is Barelvi and Deobandi books. But Maulana Shibli Nomani has not described all those dreams. Narration of all those dreams. Even if they are real, why should we narrate all those dreams? Because once we listen to these dreams, his personality becomes a mythological rather than a historical figure. That Imam Abu Hanifa rahmatullah has a vision of Allah 99 times in his dream, and on the 100 times he was able to talk to Allah, to supplicate. Abu Hanifa was digging the grave of the Rasulullah and spreading the sand or soil right side, left side, on the back and front. Abu Hanifa was holding a flag waiting for his followers to come. Imam Abu Hanifa is with min Nabi'in, that his status is with those of Anbiya, Salihin, and Shuhada. Hanifa, when asked from where you have been, he says, "Oh, I have been visiting Allah." There are two famous shagirs. One is Imam Abu Yusuf, the another is Mohammad. Anyhow, his shagird, Imam Abu Yusuf, narrates, I saw Imam Abu Hanifa in a dream sitting in a palace with his students seated around him. Notice it, Imam Sahab asked me to bring pen and paper, which I duly presented. When he started writing something, I asked him what he was writing. He said, I am writing that my students are all Jannatis. That means all of them will go to Jannat. He asked him, will you write down my name as well? Then Abu Hanifa replied, yes, you are there. That in a dream, Hazrat Ali was sitting with Rasulullah. So Abu Hanifa went there. So Ali got up, he embraced this one, Abu Hanifa. Then he presented him to Rasulullah. Rasulullah also shook hand and embraced Abu Hanifa. Abu Hanifa was in a masjid in the space, okay, hanging in the space, and his followers are behind him, below him. Abu Hanifa has witnessed Rasulullah more than 40 times in dreams. If I had got an opportunity to kiss the right foot of the Prophet, I don't believe in all this nonsense. If something is good, the people will realize, they will read his books and they will realize that it is good. Why fabricate all those nonsense dreams? May Allah, because Lanatullahi al-Kazibin.